Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Twitch account on Android TV. So to do this, we'll need the Twitch app, and let me show you how to get it. Go to apps or your app library or your app drawer and go to your browser of choice. I'm going to Google and I'm going to search for the Twitch app. So on the keyboard that pops up, I'll type in Twitch. Alright, you can see the suggestion for Twitch app. So click on Twitch app. When you have the Twitch app, click navigate to the option that says play.google.com. In the first option, that's what we see. So click on Twitch live streaming, and that's the link I want. Now I'm in the app. You can see the open button right here. This is because I already have the app downloaded. Now, if you do not have the app downloaded, you will see install right there. All you need to do is click the installation button. You're going to see the app download. It'll take you a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute, depending on your internet speed. But when your app is downloaded, your installation process is automatic. With play.google.com, it will be automatically installed. You have the app ready in your app library. So you could choose to go there and open it, or just click the open button right here. So in my case, I'm clicking open. And now that I've clicked open, I'm greeted with this page. So Twitch is used for live streaming. It is one of the most popular live streaming apps. You could watch your favorite creators play games. You could watch your favorite streamers talk about politics, commentate on sports, host unique events, and you could be exposed to a large portion of live content. So you could see all of the options right here: games, music, talk shows, sports, travel, chatting, food and drink, special events, and there's just so much more. So to get this Twitch account, we're going to use the sign up button on the bottom right. So click on sign up, and you're going to be prompted to put in your email. So do exactly as I'm doing right here. Put in the email. This is the email of choice. So I've typed in my email, and right there I'm good to go. So at gmail.com, make sure you complete the Gmail or email you're putting into the app, and this should work perfectly for you. So when you have the email put in, you click on continue. Now if you don't have an email, you could use your phone number, and to use your phone number, click on this link right here and use your phone number instead. I'm fine with the email, and I'm going to choose a username. So this is the name people will know you by on Twitch. So you could always change your name later, so be creative and choose a name that works for you. So that is the username I'm going to use. And now I'm going to select the password. The password of choice for this account is going to be this password. And you must have 8 characters. Ensure your password has 8 characters for this to work. Now when you have a solid password, you see no red indications here, and it means you're good to go. So you can see the password right there. It must be 8 characters. It could be just letters, but ensure you have a secure password. If you have put in a secure password, then you're sure you're good to go. Now the next stage is the date of birth. So I'm going to put in date of birth really quickly. January 1st, year 2000. So put in your date of birth and progress now to the sign up button. So by tapping sign up, you actually agree automatically to Twitch's terms of service, and you're acknowledging the policy and privacy notice that are going to apply to you. If you want to look at those terms, use these links above and get into them. When you're done, click on sign up just as I've done, and you're going to have this account automatically created. So ensure you know your password, ensure you know your username, and you could choose to save this on your Android TV or Google account for easy reference. So give this a second. Depending on your internet speed, it's going to take some time to load up, but when it does, click on save, and wait for the account to create. Now you're going to receive a 6-digit code on your email. Check on your email on whatever device is logged in. Now when you find that code, you're going to input the code right here. It's going to be a numerical code. So just be patient and wait for the code to come on your email. This usually takes a couple of seconds. And when it comes, just input the code right here. So I'm waiting for the code. If you do not receive the code, you could see the resend email link right here and click it. So if you do not receive the code after a significant period of time, click on resend email and you have that email sent again. But ensure you do not misuse this. If you send the email multiple times, you alter the process and you don't know which code is the current code. Now, when this code comes and you inputted the code, you'll be sent directly into your account, and this is going to enable you to use the Twitch application for streaming. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to log in and how to use the app. So if you have your account created, if you found value in this tutorial and you now have created a Twitch account using your phone number or your email address, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with more on Twitch.